Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making stir-fried romaine lettuce with minced pork.
Look at that! The greens are glistening. The sauce is rich and savory. This dish smells amazing and tastes even better. First, let's get our romaine lettuce cleaned up and chopped into bite-sized pieces. Now for the meat, I'm using minced pork belly today because it's nice and juicy.
If you don't have this, ground beef or even chopped sausage will work just fine.
For aromatics, we will need a bit of chopped scallion and minced garlic.
Everything is ready, let's start cooking.
Heat up some oil in the wok. Then add in the romaine lettuce. Stir fry over high heat. We want to drive off the moisture and let the greens soften. Once they've wilted down, add a teaspoon of salt. Toss it through and take it out of the wok. Now heat a bit more oil in the wok. Add in the minced pork and stir fry it. Cook it until it starts to release some fat. Then add a tablespoon of Doubanjiang. That's what gives the sauce its deep, spicy flavor. Keep stirring, and once it smells nice and fragrant, add the scallions and garlic. Pour in 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and just half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce for color. Mix everything together until the flavors blend. Then add about 150 milliliters of water. Season with a teaspoon of MSG and a teaspoon of sugar. Now drizzle in a bit of cornstarch slurry, not too much, just enough to thicken the sauce slightly. Once it turns glossy and rich, it's ready. Pour that beautiful minced pork sauce right over the romaine lettuce. Look at that! Simple, colorful, and smells incredible. This is the kind of dish that makes you instantly hungry.
Let me give it a try. So flavorful and comforting. Perfect with a bowl of rice. It costs less than $1 to make at home. So skip the takeout and try this one yourself. You are gonna love it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.